Hey everyone, Ilker here. Today is another big day. We're finding out the winners of my new LUT collection, Volume 2, as well as Volume 1. So a total of 32 cinematic LUTs. But before we jump to the wheel, I just want to say thank you. The launch of my second cinematic LUT collection was incredible, and I truly appreciate all the support. Many of you purchased the LUTs without waiting for the giveaway, and that means a lot to me. Thank you for trusting my work. Now, as promised, we're picking 6 winners for a total prize value of $1,008, and I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's spin the wheel. Okay, here we go. Good luck to everyone. And our first winner is FMN7207. Congrats, my friend. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Winner number 2 is Tengratun. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but well done. You got it. Okay, spinning once again. Let's see who is next. Number 3 is Davinci 1968. Congrats, my friend. Okay. Here comes winner number 4, and it is Mediabee Cinemas. Congratulations. Enjoy your LUTs. Let's remove. Okay. 5th winner. The 5th winner is APL9765. Able. Congrats. And finally, our 6th and last winner. I'm super excited. The last winner is, this is hard to pronounce, Davinci Krauchenko. Congrats, you're the final winner. Huge congrats to all 6 of you. Now, to claim your LUT collection, please reach out to me at info@mediabeecolorlab.com and send me a screenshot of my YouTube channel with your YouTube name clearly visible, which should also show that you are subscribed to Mediabee Color Lab. Once I receive that, I'll send your prize right away. And once again, thank you all for the incredible support. It genuinely helps me keep creating, teaching, and sharing more with this community. See you in the next video.